we have a video, one video we've done, we're doing another video. Many of you have already seen something like this and already know about it. If you're a professional in woodworking or metal cutting or using it for PVC, this works fantastic. And it's so simple, you can think of it yourself anyway. This is a portable guide, okay? Many people have these on their radial arm saw or their chop saws or whatever they are. But it's basically simple. If you didn't know about it, then okay, then we're going to help you a lot. And even if you do know about it, we're going to help you a little bit. So what we have is just a sewing tape measure along this edge we glued on there. From the cut is number one. So we never have to measure anything. But most of us do this. We take a board, or we have a board, and we have a clamp of some sort. We look at what measurement we want, and then we clamp it down. So now we have a 12-inch cut from here to here. And we do this repetitively, so we have perfect 12-inch, 12-inch, 12-inch. Now, when we have to change it, we have to move it again, and we have to go back to something else where there's an 18-inch cut. Well, it doesn't take a lot of time, and it's still a good system. It works nice. Some people have a snap clamp here, okay? But I want to do away with working with the clamps all together and the board. So what I did is I thought about it a little bit, and I made a simple board. What I use is just nails in the board, okay? But you can use bolts, you can use anything you want, all right? Now, we do a lot of repetitive cuts. So what I need is I come up here and I say, okay, 10 inches. I drop it. I punch them in. It's ready to go. I put my stock up against it here, and it doesn't move, okay? If this gives just a little bit, that's okay, because you're still making the same repetitive cut. Cut, cut, cut. Now, you put this on a power saw or radial arm saw, like I said, okay? Now, that's done. My 10-inch cuts are made. Now I want to move it. Let's say I want to do an 18-inch cut. So I move it to 18, just like that. I drop it in. I don't have to clamp anything. It's ready to go. I set my stock back up there. I cut it again. So this is so simple. You just drill some holes through the board. It takes you about 5 minutes to do it. Now, if you guys don't want to drill holes in your board, that's up to you. And I just use scrap wood here to make it. Some of you are going to make it with better wood, nicer wood. But anyway, I just want to help you out. And this is why we do it, okay? We make these right now. And you're going to see a video about these. These are baby swings that we done. And we invented this a year ago. Okay, so that's it. I hope it helps you. And leave some comments. Thank you.